How to fix Outlook not showing online status of colleagues. So here in Outlook, you should be able to see the status of your colleagues in your organization. So for example, like this user, I know that they are online because they have this green icon beside their profile picture. So to fix your problem, if you cannot see their online status, is that we just need to do some few solutions right here. So we can go to file and then go to options. From here, go to people and then make sure that this one is turned on, the display online status next to name. So make sure this check mark is turned on and then click OK. And then now you can check if your problem is now fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is that you can open Microsoft Teams. So just go to Microsoft Teams and then from here, click on the three dots right here and then go to settings. From here, there is an option that says register the new Teams as the chat app for Microsoft 365. So make sure that this is also turned on. Then go back to Outlook and then you can restart Outlook by closing it. So let me close Outlook. Then let's go ahead and open it again. So now your problem should be fixed and then you should now see the online status of your colleagues. So for example, right here. If you are still encountering some problems, what you can do is that you can try to repair Outlook. So to do that, go to the search icon right here and then type in control panel. From here, go to programs and features, and then from here, we need to search for Microsoft 365. So from here, you can see this Microsoft 365 apps for business. So right click on that, click on change, click yes. And then from here, you have two options. The first option is the quick repair. So you can try this and then this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So if you have used quick repair and then the problem still persists in your Outlook application, then you can try to use online repair. So this will fix all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection. So just go ahead and choose the repair that you want to use, then click repair. And then when you click on repair, it will take some time before it finishes. So you just need to wait for it to finish. Then you can go ahead and go back to your Outlook application to see if the problem is now fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix Outlook not showing the online status of your colleagues. I hope you learn how to do it and thank you for watching.